baby. I miss you.
Beatrice Mao meets Norbert Mao in Gulu as both pursue separate political races. Gulu City. Beatrice Mao, who is seeking the Democratic Party DP ticket for Lord Mayor of Kampala, was filmed meeting her husband, Norbert Mao, in Gulu City, where he is contesting for Member of Parliament of Laro Pese Division. The meeting took place at night and involved only their campaign teams, not a public rally or crowd. In the video, the two greet each other warmly, exchange hugs, and speak casually in a relaxed setting. Beatrice Mao repeatedly refers to her husband as "my baby," expressing that she had missed him and was happy to finally meet him after time apart on the campaign trail. Their interactions appear informal and unscripted, with members of both campaign teams standing nearby. The moment ends with brief political remarks acknowledging the upcoming election dates and mutual encouragement for each other's campaigns.
Ngenda kulaba my baby. Yeah. It matters to me. Yeah. But I'm going to meet my baby. I've missed him so long. He's vying for Lalo Peche. So, hi baby. Yes.
How are you? Welcome. You have the entire gang here.
Yes.
Some of them I saw them in photographs.
Yes, we are here. Mr. Norbert. People of Lalo Peche, the only person to vote is Mr. Norbert Mao.
Finally, a minister.
Finally, we have met the minister.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
Thank you.
This is my second time meeting you, but Tomani,
I know.
I have fainted.
Kamujeko.
Mpuje manage. Manage. Zani ametinga Minister Norbert Mao. Era mbabulira abantu bera Lopeche mulonde Minister Norbert Mao. On the 22nd, ekibuga kyetaaga mukyala.
On the 15th.
That's 22nd is Lord Mayor.
Yes.
We are going to vote for Mrs. Norbert Mao. Beautiful family. Look at them. I know.
Yes. Thank you so much.
So what the moment shows, the footage does not depict mobilization speeches or voter engagement. Instead, it captures a private intersection of two political campaigns, highlighting the personal side of public figures who are simultaneously contesting elections in different parts of the country. Beatrice Mao is campaigning in Kampala against incumbent Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago under the DP banner. Norbert Mao, DP President and Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, is seeking a parliamentary seat in Laropeze, Gulu City. Their meeting underscores the logistical reality of modern campaigns, where candidates often move independently and only briefly reconnect between schedules. Political significance without spectacle. Politically, the encounter carries symbolic rather than operational value. Parallel campaigns separate arenas. The two are contesting in entirely different constituencies, Beatrice Mao in Kampala and Norbert Mao in Gulu. The meeting does not signal joint campaigning or coordinated messaging. Humanizing, not mobilizing. The interaction presents a rare, quiet view of political figures as spouses rather than strategists. There is no visible attempt to use the moment to influence voters present, since only campaign teams are involved. DP under the spotlight, with DP fielding candidates against high-profile incumbents. Even minor moments involving its leadership attract attention. However, this particular encounter remains personal rather than party-driven. Analysis why the video circulated. The clip gained attention not because of political declarations, but because it contrasts sharply with Uganda's own rigid political imagery. Public officials are typically seen in formal, combative, or ceremonial contexts. This video instead shows familiar language, my baby, physical affection, a pause from campaign intensity. For some viewers, this reinforces the idea that political life does not air as personal relationships. For others, it simply documents a routine meeting between spouses navigating demanding schedules. Conclusion: the Gulu meeting between Beatrice Mao and Norbert Mao was not a rally, not a show of force, and not a campaign stunt. It was a brief personal moment captured during two ongoing campaigns involving only their teams. Its significance lies less in electoral impact and more in what it reveals. Behind parallel political ambitions, there remains a private relationship unfolding quietly away from public platforms and voter crowds.